this place is our home. I call it my home because, I call it our home because we have all the hospitality with them. His brotherhood, his friendship that brought us here. And it's one single voice that is keeping us here. Because you watched the video over there, right? You saw the video? Yeah, that video is part of your history, is part of my history. And this place you guys are standing is part of our history. Colonialism, some of you will know about it. So, as young people right now, it would be a very good thing for you to start knowing about who you are. I know all of us just talk about selfie right now, because we're in the new world, right? Yeah, that's true. You know about selfie, you know about how to jump and make fun, but the most important thing is for us to have in mind who we are. It's very, very important. And that is why we're here. And that is why we have this great correlation with the museum. They show us love. For me, I've been here almost 2 years. And I've been coming here, I call this place my home. I joke with them. Yeah? We're friends, we're family over here. I play with all of us. He has been here for almost 3 years. So we know ourselves. He's from Madagascar.
It's very short for me to say that. I think we don't know how to say thank you because we couldn't make it. So especially my brother here, I was talking to him a few days ago and he said that I have many friends here who just lived only for 2 weeks or more. And I told him, can we make a service in the museum? And he said yes, something like that. So I want to say to him, thank you so much for everything you've done and also the accepting for your comments.
And I want to thank Mark for introducing them to us. And they're going to be our new friends.
New friends, new leaders.
New leaders.